What a billionaire is not doing. It's important to recognize that billionaires, like any other group of people, are diverse individuals with varying lifestyles, values, and choices. However, there are certain generalizations or trends that may be observed. Here are a few things that some billionaires may not be doing. Handling routine tasks. Many billionaires delegate routine tasks and responsibilities to others, allowing them to focus on strategic decision-making and high-impact activities. Worrying about basic expenses. With substantial wealth, basic expenses may not be a source of concern. Billionaires often have the financial means to live comfortably without worrying about daily expenses. Working for a salary. Once someone reaches billionaire status, their income may not come from a traditional salary. Instead, their wealth is often tied to ownership stakes in businesses, investments, or other assets. Ignoring investments. Billionaires are typically actively involved in managing their investments. They often have a diversified portfolio that includes stocks, real estate, and other assets. Avoiding risk. Many billionaires are risk takers. They might have accumulated wealth by taking calculated risks in business, investments, or entrepreneurship. Living a low-key lifestyle. While this varies among individuals, some billionaires are known for their extravagant lifestyles, including luxury homes, private jets, and expensive hobbies. Working a traditional 9-to-5 job. Billionaires often have unconventional work schedules. They may not adhere to a traditional 9-to-5 workday and might be involved in global business activities that require flexibility. Ignoring philanthropy. Many billionaires actively engage in philanthropy, donating significant amounts to various causes. Philanthropy can be a substantial part of their lives and legacy. Neglecting personal development. Continuous learning and personal development are often priorities for successful individuals, including billionaires. They may invest time and resources in expanding their knowledge and skills. Avoiding social impact. Some billionaires actively engage in social impact initiatives. They may use their wealth and influence to address social and environmental issues. Living without advisors. Billionaires often have teams of financial advisors, legal experts, and other professionals to help manage their wealth and navigate complex financial matters. Failing to innovate. Many billionaires are associated with innovation. They may continuously seek new opportunities and invest in cutting-edge technologies and industries. It's essential to note that these points are generalizations, and individual billionaires may vary significantly in their behaviors and choices. Additionally, public perceptions of billionaires can be influenced by media coverage, which may focus on certain aspects of their lives or actions.